Here are my next prints. I printed off a bunch of chess pieces. I think they turned out really good. So this took about 11 hours. These are right off, so there are a little bit of things that need to be cleaned up, but so you can tell not too many. I just took out the strings that attached them together, and there weren't a lot. So these are all the chess pieces I printed off. It took about 11 hours, but I mean, they came out in so high quality of detail. Like the lines, you can barely even see them. So just to give you a better idea of what this printer is capable of, I'm really impressed. It's my first 3D printer, so just so you guys know, I also want to point out, it's really hard to use buttons on this little guy, especially like connecting to the Wi-Fi. So I actually am just going to use my wife's Surface Pen. As you can tell, it actually works pretty well. So anyways, just so you guys know. And I also wanted to show you guys too the completed project. So my wife finished painting her little toothless. Let me put that down. That I printed off. So this is the lower quality. This took about 5 hours to print. And you can see the lines in there still. Now I heard that you can either heat gun those off, or you can put a paint base over them and it'll be fine. But I still think it turned out pretty well. So anyways, just a further review on that.